Hello viewers, welcome you all. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about the introduction, nomenclature and properties of the organometallic compound and preparation and structure of Grignard reagent. In our present lecture, we are discussing about the synthetic uses of Grignard reagent. The Grignard reagent are synthetically very important. Grignard reagent is used to synthesize a enormous compound. Here we discussed one by one. Hydrocarbon. Grignard reagent reacts with compound having active hydrogen. Here is a compound having an active hydrogen. With the help of this active hydrogen, we prepare hydrocarbon. The AH is, or the AH may be water, alcohol, aryl alcohol, thiols, acids, amides, amines, etc. This type of reaction is used for the determination of the number of active hydrogen, and procedure is known as Jerry-Wintoff's active hydrogen determination. In this type of determination, we can use methyl magnesium iodide as a Grignard reagent. The methane which is liberated is measured in volume. One molecule of methane equivalent to one active hydrogen. The number of methane liberated is equal to the number of active hydrogen present in the compound. Aryl magnesium halide behave in similar manner. Here this is aryl magnesium halide, this is a active hydrogen, here is benzene. We can also use Grignard reagent to prepare alkenes. As we all know, being a weak nucleophile, Grignard reagent do not react with simple alkyl halide. However, compounds containing more active halogen such as allyl iodide, this is allyl iodide, react with Grignard reagent, gives alkenes. Grignard reagent react with terminal alkynes to produce hydrocarbon, and new Grignard reagents which upon treatment with alkyl halide gives higher alkynes. Here we see the terminal alkynes with Grignard reagent, we found hydrocarbon and new organomagnesium compound, that is new Grignard reagent. This new Grignard reagent upon treatment with alkyl halide gives alkynes which is higher than that previous one. We can use Grignard reagent for the synthesis of alcohol. Primary alcohol containing 2 carbon more than that of Grignard reagent alkyl group can be prepared by adding ethylene chlorohydrin to the Grignard reagent. This is ethyl chlorohydrin followed by hydrolysis. This primary alcohol has 2 carbon more than that of the original organometallic reagent. With ethylene oxide, one molecule of Grignard reagent is used to prepare primary alcohol. In this organometallic compound, in this organomagnesium halide, R is replaced by alkyl or aryl both group. Similarly, we prepared secondary alcohol with the help of Grignard reagent. When Grignard reagent is treated with aldehyde other than formaldehyde. Interaction of a Grignard reagent with ethyl formate. Here 2 molecule of Grignard reagent is used followed by hydrolysis, secondary alcohol is formed. In the preparation of tertiary alcohol, action of a Grignard reagent on ketone. This ketone with the help of this Grignard reagent react with the Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis. Tertiary alcohol with three different alkyl group may be prepared. Here we can see the R1, R2 and R3, the three different alkyl group present in a tertiary alcohol. This is the mechanism of the formation of tertiary alcohol. From here we remove the two ether molecules and then followed by hydrolysis we found tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol is also formed with the reaction between Grignard reagent and any ester other than the formic ester. Here again we use two molecule of Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis. Reaction between Grignard reagent and the ethyl carbonate, tertiary alcohol is formed. With the help of lactones, we can form diols. Lactone react with Grignard reagent. Here these are lactones react with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis gives diols. There are two alcoholic group. Aryl magnesium halide react with oxygen gives phenoxy magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis gives us phenols. With the reaction of Grignard reagent and ethyl formate, here we use 1 molecules of ethyl formate and 1 molecules of Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, this is aldehyde. Ethyl formate gives better yield of aldehyde, this is ethyl formate followed by hydrolysis give aldehyde. For better yield we should use ethyl formate, ethyl orthoformate. Ketone may be prepared by adding an alkyl cyanide to the Grignard reagent. Acyl chloride react rapidly with Grignard reagent to form ketone. In this reaction we have to use 1 molecule of acyl chloride with 1 molecule of Grignard reagent. But if you use 2 molecule of Grignard reagent, tertiary alcohol is formed. Grignard reagent react with amides or N-substituted amides. Here we can substitute hydrogen with the help of Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis we get acetone. Grignard reagent with solid carbon dioxide, that is dry ice, and the complex decomposed with dilute acid, this is the complex decomposed with dilute acid, we get acids. Grignard reagent with succinic anhydride forms keto acids, gamma keto acids. Grignard reagent reacts with ethyl chloroformate, this is ethyl chloroformate followed by hydrolysis gives us esters. Similarly, alkyl cyanide can be prepared. Cyanogen react with Grignard reagent, this cyanogen react with Grignard reagent gives us alkyl cyanide. Grignard reagent is added to an ethereal solution of cyanogen chloride. Primary amine can also be prepared by Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent which may be alkyl magnesium chloride or bromide, but not iodide. With ortho methyl hydroxyl amine gives us primary amine followed by hydrolysis. Grignard reagent react with chloramine to form primary amine. Yields are reasonable only for tertiary alkyl group. We can also synthesize other organometallic compound with the help of Grignard reagent. By the exchange between organometallic compounds and the metal halides, here M1 is the metal of a organometallic compound and M2 is the metal of a halide. By the exchange between these two, M2 is the metal of a organometallic compound and M1 is the metal of a metal halide. In that case, M1 is higher in the electrochemical series than M2. M2 may be, in case of Grignard reagent, M2 may be cadmium, mercury, tin, lead, arsenic, Sb and bismuth, etc., etc. Here Grignard reagent with cadmium chloride, cadmium replaces the magnesium and form organocadmium compound. Similarly, in second equation, mercury replaces the magnesium, in third tin replaces the magnesium, and in fourth lead replaces the magnesium, because cadmium, mercury, tin and magnesium are lower in the electrochemical series than the magnesium. We can also prepare organo non-metallic compound with the help of Grignard reagent, and these are prepared by interaction of Grignard reagent and an inorganic halides with the help of phosphorus, silicon, barium and barium. Here organometallic compound with PoCl3, this PO replaces the magnesium, silicon replaces, here silicon replaces the magnesium and here barium replaces the magnesium. We can also prepare ether with the help of Grignard reagent when Grignard reagent is react with alpha monochloroether. This alpha monochloroether, this is a Grignard reagent, we got ether. Similarly, alkyl halide, when Grignard reagent is treated with bromine and iodine. We can also prepare thioalcohol or thiols with the help of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent react with sulfur to give an addition product. This is an addition product which on hydrolysis give the thiols, that is RSH. We can also prepare sulfenic acid on passing sulfur dioxide into a well cooled Grignard reagent, followed by hydrolysis, sulfenic acid is formed. This is sulfur dioxide. In this particular reaction, a Grignard reagent will be well cooled. Grignard reagent does not react with compound containing a functional group which is normally capable of reaction. Due to steric effect, branching of the carbon chain near the function group prevents the reaction, like methyl magnesium bromide or iodide does not react with hexamethyl acetone due to this bulky group. Large bulky groups containing Grignard reagent prevents reaction. Example, isopropyl methyl ketone reacts with methyl magnesium iodide, but not with tertiary butyl magnesium chloride. Isopropyl methyl ketone once react with methyl magnesium iodide, but not with tertiary butyl magnesium chloride because of bulkiness of the butyl group. In case of isopropyl magnesium bromide reacts with diisopropyl ketone. Instead of tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol, that is diisopropyl carbinol is formed, but in actual tertiary alcohol should be formed. Abnormal reaction explained by the transfer of hydride ion from the Grignard reagent via a cyclic transition state. This is a cyclic transition state. This is a Grignard reagent. This hydride ion is transferred to this and this form that adduct, and after hydrolysis we take secondary alcohol. Sometimes Grignard reagent and aldehyde reacts to form ketone and a primary alcohol. In earlier reaction, we saw the reaction between Grignard reagent and aldehyde, we formed secondary alcohol. But here, due to some abnormal behavior of Grignard reagent, we found ketone and primary alcohol. This is also explained on the basis of hydride ion transfer via a cyclic transition state. Compounds which are capable of enolization liberated hydrogen with Grignard reagent and formed hydrocarbon. This is a compound capable of enolizing, here the carbonyl group, here the, from here this compound liberate the hydrogen with the help of Grignard reagent, it form hydrocarbon. Another abnormal behavior, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound react with Grignard reagent in 1,2 or 1,4 position. This is a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound react with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis. 1,2 addition is formed, 1 and 2, this is the first place, this is the second place, 1,2 addition is formed. In next, this is a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound with the help of this Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, 1,4 addition is formed. This is a enol form followed by keto form. This is all about my present lecture, in which we discussed about the synthetic uses of Grignard reagent. By seeing all these synthetic importance of Grignard reagent, the pupil of my fraternity are keen to know about other organometallic compound. That is why the Victor Grignard got Nobel Prize to invent Grignard reagent. In our next lecture, we will discuss about organolithium and organozinc compound. Thank you.